Namaskar, this is Rohit Shankar Mani and you are watching Scientist R Academy towards scientific world. Now in this video lecture we are going to understand ICRNet Agriculture Microbiology MCQs on bacterial nutrition. So before going to start our lecture, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. So first MCQ is the what are nutrients? So nutrients are substances used in the biosynthesis and energy production and therefore are required for the bacterial growth. How plants produce their own food? So plants produce their own food with the help of photosynthesis. How plants get nutrients? So plants absorb the nutrients from the soil solution, that is halophytic nutrition, released by mineralization of organic matter and grow. All organisms exhibit which universal requirements? So all organisms exhibit universal requirement, that are the two universal requirements, that is the water and elements. Bacteria require which nutrients? So bacteria require macro and micronutrients. What are macro and micronutrients? So macronutrients are required in a large amount to the cell, such as carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, potassium, calcium, magnesium, ferrous, while micronutrients are required in a very fewer amount to the cell, such as manganese, zinc, cobalt, molybdenum, nickel and copper. Next question is the what are autotrophs? So autotrophs are the bacterial cell those use CO2 as a carbon source for their growth, known as autotrophs. What are obligate autotrophs? So obligate autotrophs are these organisms are able to fix carbon dioxide as their sole primary source of the carbon through Kelvin-Benson cycle. These organisms utilizes inorganic chemicals as their source of energy. The best example of obligate autotrophs is the acetate as a secondary source of carbon. What are phototrophs? So phototrophs are the bacteria that use light as an energy source for their growth. All phototrophs can grow autotrophically. Most of them grow heterotrophically. They use hydrogen sulfide and organic molecules as an electron source. The examples of phototrophs are the chlorobium, chlorobacterium and the thiospirillum. What are lithotrophs? So lithotrophs are the organisms use inorganic reduced chemicals as a source of energy or electrons. What are chemoautotrophs? So these organisms are organisms growing on energy released by the oxidation of reduced inorganic chemicals with CO2 as an important source of carbon. Next question is the what means of heterotrophs? So bacteria that cannot use CO2 as a sole source of carbon for their growth, known as heterotrophs. What are saprophytic bacteria? So saprophytic bacteria, they survive on dead and deteriorating organic matter. These bacteria absorb nutrition from them. Firstly, they convert the complex organic compound into soluble compound with the help of enzymes and then absorb them according to the requirements or absorb them conditionally. What is symbiotic bacteria? So those bacteria which grow and develop in close beneficial partnership or association with the other living organisms are called as symbiotic bacteria, and this phenomenon is called as a symbiosis. What are parasitic bacteria? So parasitic bacteria are those bacteria which feed themselves on living tissues, that is host, called as parasitic bacteria. They are transmitted to the host by means of air, water, food. These bacteria may be obligate parasite or facultative parasite or may be pathogenic or may be non-pathogenic in nature. How chemotrophs obtain their energy? So chemotroph obtains the energy from oxidation reduction reactions of organic compounds. What are sulfur bacteria? So the example of sulfur bacteria are the Thiobacillus, Begoita, Thiothrix. This bacteria utilizes energy released by the oxidation of sulfur and its compounds. That's what that bacteria is known as a sulfur bacteria. For example, Thiothrix oxidizes the hydrogen sulfide or mineral sulfides into sulfur. The sulfur gets stored inside the bacteria and later get converted into the sulfate. What are hydrogen bacteria? So these bacteria convert molecular hydrogen into water, utilize the energy released during chemical reaction. Examples are the Bacillus, Panthotrops, and Hydromonas. What are methane bacteria? So methane bacteria are these bacteria that convert and oxidize methane into carbon dioxide gas and water. Examples are the Methanococcus, Lactobacillus, and the Acetobacter. What are carbon bacteria? So carbon bacteria are these bacteria who use the energy released by the oxidation of carbon monoxide. Example, Bacillus oligocarbophiles. So these are the some questions related to the nutrition, that is bacterial nutrition. Thanks a lot.